What's going on, y'all? Every penny counts. I'm with a new site. It's New Money Maker Mondays. It's called Grindabuck. I just want to show you something real quick. I'm on this the homepage, and I want to check in real quick. This is something you can do every single day. You see here, check in, you earn 1 point every single day. All right. So every time you log on to this site, check in, you get a point. It's not a lot, but I'm telling you, just every penny counts. Literally, I mean, you just continue to add up all your points. So all I'm gonna do here is just click on this right here, check in, earn 1 point. It's going to take me to, a different page or whatever, but I'm good. I just exit out of that and I'm out. You see daily check-in, last checked in today, 610. You see there, 610. Okay. So now my balance is 291. I'm going to refresh that. Let me go click the mouse over here. Now it should be 292. Kind of taking a minute to refresh. But just like that, that's all you got to do as far as checking in. Okay, now that's not a lot of money in that, but I'm gonna show you all the things that I do in order to get this money. Again, my balance right there, that's 292.244. That's basically $2.92. Okay, really the first three numbers are the big amounts that you want to worry about. So 292 is $2.92. Click on the home page here, and I'm gonna show you my routine on this site. All right, so what I'm doing every time I come here, going to your surveys, you know what I'm saying? I love your surveys. They are a really good survey provider. On this site, you're going to get 80 cents for each one of these you do. Okay. Samplicious, another good provider. Okay. Now that kind of varies in the amounts that you're going to get, but I love those as well. Theorem Reach, I do those all the time. Those have disqualification points. You get a point for each one. And Peanut Labs. Okay. So your surveys, Samplicious, Theorem Reach, and Peanut Labs. When it comes to the surveys, those are the ones I do. Okay. And the thing about it is, you just continue to grind on your surveys. Each one that you do, you'll get, your trade score will continue to go up. The higher your trade score is, the more surveys they're going to give you, the easier they are to qualify and the shorter they are. The more you do, I mean, it just makes it that easier. In the beginning, they might be kind of tough because I think you start out at 100. But like I say, just every day, just do 1 year survey. Every day, then it'll continue to go up. And before you know it, you'll be in the 200s, 300s, and like they're giving you surveys all the time that are quick and easy, and you're qualifying for them because your trade score is so high. So just keep that in mind. All right. So your surveys, Samplicious, Theorem Reach, and Peanut Labs. Okay. When it comes to the offers, because you got to do some offers too if you really want the money. Offer Turo, one of my favorite ones, Radium One, and AdSend Media. All right. AdGate also has good ones as well. I tell people all the time, like the AdGate, those are the ones where you basically just sign up, confirm your email. They have those kind of offers in some of these other offer walls too, but a lot of them are AdGate walls. So like I said, you just basically sign up for this, or sign up, enter your email, confirm your email, bam, you're credited with the points. It's just that easy. You know what I'm saying? And you'll get like anywhere between like 5 points. Sometimes I might give you 25 points, sometimes I might give you 16. But you just do those, over and over. You'll just be surprised at how quickly they add up. All right. Very, very important that you do that. That's my routine on this site. That's how I've been able to cash out on this site many times. All right. So this is a site where you can cash out at $1. Okay. Now your first cash out, I believe, I don't know if it's still the same, but you can cash out. I think you have to wait till you get $10. Okay. With your first cash out. That's only because, honestly, I'm not sure of why they do that. But they just want to make sure that members are staying active and, really using the site like they really want you to. But it doesn't take a long time to get that, especially if you do what I'm telling you as far as my routine. Your surveys, Samplicious, Theorem Reach, the Peanut Labs are doing offers. You'll get $10 in no time. Like you should get that well within a week if you're just putting in the right effort. Okay. You can cash out at $1. They have PayPal. They have lots of different things you can do here. You see here, AceWall. This is one thing. They have videos in here that you can let your videos run in the background, like Hideout TV, S'mores TV. I think AceWall really has the Earn Honey video, so I'm gonna click on that and just show you how you let your videos run in the background. You see here, I think it's for every 4 videos, you get 1.8 for every one of them, which is really good because a lot of these I'll tell you, like, you do run 4 videos, will give you 0.75 or something like that, or just 1, but they're giving you 0.08. You know what I'm saying? So you're getting you know, a lot of points just through your video, just letting them run in the background while you're doing surveys and while you're doing offers. So I want you guys to keep that in mind. Always have your videos running in the background, because that way on every site that you're on, you have the videos, you're making money while you're making money. Like you're doing a survey, and the survey might be like, you know, 5, 10, 15 minutes, but that's 5, 10 minutes of videos just running in the background. So you're still making money, and you just continue to pile up your account. That's what I do on all of the sites that I use, and mainly Grindabuck, because of what they're paying for just letting the videos run in the background. All right, so I just want to show you guys that. Like I said, it's Grindabuck. The link will be in the description. Sign up today, create you an account, and just start making money with it. You see here, I got 292. You know, this site has been around for a very long time. A lot of people don't really talk about it or know about it, one of the two, but I'm bringing it to your attention because it's a site that I've been using for a few months now, and I've cashed out about, I'd say about four or five times, somewhere around there. So it is legit. I do get my money very quickly. I don't have to wait, you know, 4 or 5 days. You know, the money comes fairly quickly within 24 hours, I believe. It doesn't take more than that. So I just want to show you guys that. Sign up today. Remember my routine. You know, go through this video as much as you need to really understand what I'm doing. It's very simple. I'm just doing some surveys, I'm doing some offers, and I'm letting videos run in the background. Very simple. You see here, they have a Grindabuck chat. These are live members that are, you know, talking about different things. So whenever a site has a chat or a forum like that, it's really a good sign, because that means that members have a way to interact with one another. If you have questions, you can always put it in the chat and allow people to answer any questions you may have. All right, so just pay attention to that. Like I said, sign up with the link in the description. If you're new to my channel, definitely subscribe, because I'm always giving you guys new ways to make money. If you have any questions, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as I can, and just so I can continue to help you guys to make money. All right, so sign up today. Link is in the description, and remember, every penny counts.